Getting arrested for a DUI/DWI can be an overwhelming experience, but do you know what your next step should be? Many people find themselves uncertain of how to handle the situation, and making the wrong move can negatively impact your future. In this video, we'll take you through essential tips from a seasoned criminal defense attorney on what to do when you get arrested for a DUI/DWI. Whether it's your first time or you've been through the process before, these expert tips will guide you through this stressful time and help protect your rights. Stay tuned until the end to ensure you're fully prepared and equipped with the knowledge you need. Remain calm and polite to officers. One of the most critical things to remember when arrested for a DUI/DWI is to stay calm and respectful. Being rude or confrontational with officers can escalate the situation, potentially leading to additional charges. Your goal is to avoid making the situation worse, and maintaining a polite demeanor can work in your favor. Officers are more likely to show leniency if you are respectful and cooperative. Keep in mind that any aggressive behavior can be used against you in court, affecting your case negatively. By staying calm, you set the stage for a smoother arrest process and show the court that you handled the situation responsibly. Know your rights, the right to remain silent. Understanding your right to remain silent is crucial during a DUI/DWI arrest. You are not obligated to answer any questions beyond providing your identification details, such as your name, address, and date of birth. So when they ask you, "Have you had anything to drink tonight?" resist the temptation to say 2 beers or anything stupid like that. Anything you say beyond that could be used as evidence against you. The right to remain silent is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal during a legal encounter. When you choose not to speak, you prevent yourself from inadvertently incriminating yourself, which could negatively affect your case. It's important to remember that you have the right to wait for an attorney before answering any additional questions. Request a lawyer immediately. As soon as you are arrested, request to speak with an attorney. Having legal representation ensures that your rights are protected throughout the process. A criminal defense lawyer specializing in DUI/DWI cases will help you understand the complexities of the law and advise you on how to proceed. Your lawyer will guide you through the questioning, making sure you don't say anything that could harm your defense. Additionally, your attorney can provide insight into what to expect at your bail hearing, trial, or plea negotiations. Requesting a lawyer is one of the best ways to safeguard your future and ensure you have professional guidance during this stressful time. To not consent to field sobriety tests. Field sobriety tests are often used to gauge a person's impairment, but they are notoriously unreliable. These tests can be influenced by factors like poor road conditions, anxiety, or physical limitations, which can lead to inaccurate results. In many jurisdictions, you are not legally required to consent to these tests. Refusing them cannot be used against you in court, and it eliminates the chance of giving false evidence that could damage your criminal case. If you are asked to perform field sobriety tests, politely decline and wait for the proper legal procedures to unfold. Remember, refusing the test is a protected right that helps ensure a fairer outcome. Understand the breathalyzer test consequences. The breathalyzer test is often used to measure your blood alcohol content, BSC, and while refusing it may seem tempting, it comes with serious consequences. In many states, refusing to take a breathalyzer test automatically results in a license suspension or other penalties, regardless of whether you are guilty of DUI/DWI. Also, in some states, refusing the breathalyzer will lead the officers to believe that you are intoxicated at the highest rate. While taking the test can provide evidence of impairment, it also gives the prosecution a stronger case. Weighing the risks is essential. By refusing, you may face administrative penalties, but consenting could result in concrete evidence of intoxication. An experienced lawyer will be able to explain the full legal implications of both actions, helping you make an informed decision. Stay in the moment. Don't discuss your case. Once you're arrested, avoid discussing the details of your case with anyone except your lawyer. Conversations with friends, family, or even other detainees could be used against you in court if they are overheard or recorded. Even seemingly innocent comments like, "I wasn't that drunk," can be misinterpreted and used as evidence. It's important to recognize that your statements during or after an arrest carry weight in legal proceedings. Always remember that anything you say can be used as part of the prosecution's case, so it's best to remain silent and wait for your lawyer to advise you on what to say and how to proceed. Keep track of evidence. If you can, try to document as much information as possible about your arrest. This includes noting the time, location, weather conditions, and how the officers conducted themselves. Any irregularities in the arrest process can potentially help your case. Also, write down any specific factors that may have affected your performance on field sobriety tests or influenced your back reading. For instance, if you were ill or had a medical condition, these details could be important. Preserving this evidence is critical, as it will provide your attorney with a clearer understanding of the circumstances surrounding your arrest, helping to build your defense. Take notes on your health condition. Your physical condition can play a significant role in the outcome of your DUI/DWI case. Certain medical conditions, like vertigo or neurological disorders, can impair your ability to perform field sobriety tests, even if you're sober. If you have any such conditions, make sure to inform your attorney immediately. Keep a record of your health status at the time of the arrest, as this can be used to challenge the validity of any sobriety tests you were asked to perform. An experienced attorney will know how to leverage this information, strengthening your defense and helping to prevent any unfair conclusions based on your physical limitations. Be aware of license suspension laws. In many states, a DUI/DWI arrest triggers an automatic suspension of your driver's license, even before you are convicted. This administrative penalty is separate from criminal charges and can have a significant impact on your life. However, you often have the right to request a hearing to contest the suspension. Working with a skilled attorney can help you navigate this process, potentially allowing you to retain your license or reduce the length of the suspension. It's important to understand the rules in your state and consult with your attorney about the best course of action to protect your ability to drive. Don't make deals without consulting your attorney. It's tempting to accept a quick plea deal or make promises to the prosecution, especially if you want the situation to be over. However, agreeing to a deal without consulting your attorney can have long-term consequences. Pleading guilty to a DUI/DWI charge without fully understanding the legal ramifications can lead to harsher penalties, including license suspension, higher fines, and a criminal record. An experienced attorney will evaluate the evidence and offer a strategic defense or negotiation options. They may even find ways to get charges reduced or dismissed altogether. Never make a deal without first seeking legal advice to ensure the best possible outcome. Prepare for court proceedings. Your DUI/DWI case may go to trial, and it's essential to be prepared. An experienced attorney will help you understand the courtroom process, what to expect, and how to act during your trial. It's vital to follow your attorney's instructions, whether it's for behavior in court or how to handle witnesses. Additionally, your attorney will ensure that all legal motions and procedures are followed to give you the best chance of a favorable outcome. Preparing for the trial involves understanding the possible defenses, such as challenging the accuracy of the breathalyzer test or questioning the legality of the stop. With the right preparation, you can face your day in court with confidence. Follow your lawyer's advice carefully. The advice of your lawyer is your best resource during a DUI/DWI case. Your attorney has the experience and knowledge to help you navigate the complex legal system and make informed decisions that protect your rights. Whether it's negotiating a plea deal, handling court appearances, or dealing with the aftermath of a conviction, always follow your attorney's instructions carefully. They will offer tailored guidance based on your specific circumstances, helping you avoid common mistakes that can hurt your case. Trust in their expertise and remain diligent about following the steps they lay out for you. Doing so can drastically improve the outcome of your case. Getting arrested for a DUI/DWI can feel like a daunting experience, but following the right steps can make a significant difference in the outcome. From staying calm and polite to requesting legal representation and following your attorney's advice, each action you take plays a crucial role in protecting your rights. Remember, you don't have to face this alone. Professional legal guidance can help you navigate the complexities of the law. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Criminal Defense Attorney Tips, for more valuable insights. Stay informed, stay prepared, and take control of your future.